So, what I want to talk about today is how to kill two birds with one stone. So, there's two things that you need when you're trying to scale customer acquisition without scaling effort is you need traffic and you need conversions. A lot of people will go out and just get a bunch of traffic, but they don't have their offer slash conversion stuff set up. Or they spend all their time on building their conversion systems and everything else, but they don't know how to get any traffic. So really, you need those two things to work side by side with one another.